Escape the heat and discover a place where the air is cool. The views are breathtaking and nature comes alive. Welcome to Don Salvador Benedicto.
Just a short drive from the city, this mountain destination offers a refreshing escape from everyday life. Lions Park welcomes travelers with refreshing mountain views, lined with local food stalls, and the iconic Lions Club statue that makes it a perfect stop on the way to DSB.
Relax, unwind, and reconnect with loved ones in peaceful campsites surrounded by nature. Pinewood Forest is a peaceful destination filled with towering pine trees, offering a refreshing escape with cool weather and breathtaking natural views all around. You can enjoy simple activities like walking, photo taking, and relaxing while fully appreciating the calm beauty of nature.
Savor local flavors and warm meals that completes your mountain getaway. Alaysa Busay offers delicious and affordable meals served in a scenic setting. It's a place where good food meets nature, allowing you to enjoy every bite while surrounded by fresh air and a relaxing atmosphere.
Experience cool mountain air and scenic views that bring peace and relaxation. Jomax Peak features stunning overlooking views of the mountains. Alongside the view, visitors can explore its museum, adding a cultural and historical touch to the overall experience.
Feel the calm and beauty of nature. A hidden gem surrounded by lush greenery. Bandalon Frost Town combines beautiful natural scenery with fun activities like horseback riding, giving visitors a chance to enjoy the outdoors in a unique way. It also offers a cultural experience that makes your visit feel more memorable. As the sun sets, Don Salvador Benedicto reminds us to slow down and appreciate the beauty around us. Discover peace, adventure, and natural beauty. Visit Don Salvador Benedicto, your perfect escape awaits.
Getaway, fresh air, no stress, let your worries fade away. Malacanang Falls, tubig bagsak, real smooth, picture perfect views, yeah, you got nothing to lose. From the highway view deck, kita buong skyline, Cloud9 feels parang nasa ibang timeline. Strawberry farm, fresh pig, no cash, simple life pero solid, that's a fact. Mga tao dito warm like the sun, smile every corner, good vibes lang ang run. Kung sawa ka na sa ingay ng city life scene, DSB is a god, keep your soul clean. Sa bawat daan may kwentong dala, kalikasan paggas, tunay ang ganda. Sa bawat sandali, puso'y kumakanta. Sa DSB, ikaw ay sasaya. Oh, Don Salvador Benedicto, paraiso sa gitna ng mundo. Mga talon, bundok, tanawin ay swak. Dito sa DSB, babalik-balikan mo to. Hindi lang tanawin, kundi damdamin, nasa puso'y laging babalik sa'kin. Sa lamig ng hangin, ako'y pinananahan Don Salvador